Hi, and welcome back to the Uber Agent UXM Fundamentals course. In this video, we'll install the endpoint agent itself. Remember, in our scenario, we have Splunk as well as Uber Agent installed on the same machine. If you have not yet downloaded and unzipped Uber Agent, please go to uberagent.com, click on Download, save the file somewhere on your machine, and unzip it. Change to the Uber Agent _endpoint folder, and then bin. If you want to distribute Uber Agent to many machines with a software deployment tool, check out the silent install file. We want to do a manual installation, so we choose the manualinstall.cmd file. Click Next. Agree to the terms and click Next. If you wish, you can change the installation directory in this screen. We'll go with the default. At the receiver configuration screen, enter your server name and port. 19500 is the default port used by Uber Agent when using TCP. As we have Splunk installed on the same machine, we go with localhost :19500. Click Next. Click Install and let the installation finish. It should only take a couple of seconds. After clicking on Finish, switch to your browser and go to your Uber Agent dashboards. Refresh the page. You immediately see data from the Uber Agent running on the local machine. If you have a license file for Uber Agent, copy it to the installation directory. Default is C program files, vast limits, Uber Agent. Without a license file, Uber Agent displays a splash screen during logon. Contact us for an evaluation license.